Hey guys, welcome back to the Seed to Table project. Another thing we've been working on is we got a couple apple trees. This, of course, will be for a couple future projects. And yes, I do understand that it's leaning. I'm waiting for the soil to tighten around the ball, and then we're going to see about straightening it out. But this right here is a Liberty apple tree, which is a little bit more of a tart apple, good for cider. And then that's the forsythia bush we had to get out. Those were, let me tell you, those were a pain. There was one there and one where that tree was to get them out. You can see the other root ball there. And then here is a Royal Gala apple. I love Gala apples, probably one of my favorite apples to just eat. But as you can see, we got those both in the ground today, looking good. Here, I don't know if we're going to go with like pears or peaches or what. And then there, I'm thinking blueberries, but that might be for the future. But thanks for watching, guys.